doing two DIYs today. One is with this basket. I will make a bouquet in here and add this beautiful sign, which was $1 from Dollar General. This basket was $12. Everything else that would go in the basket I already own. Then I will take this brown paint and put it at every other indentation on this little small pumpkin. Stay tuned to see the end results of my basket and this pumpkin. While you're here, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's finish up the pumpkin. This is just some paint that I got from Dollar General. They are $1, I believe, in something, a piece. I've been having. Like I said, the only thing new is this pumpkin sign. That I had one from last year, but I didn't want the orange. I don't normally decorate with orange. I will do it to give a sense of how I do it if I were to decorate with it. This is not going to take long at all. And it doesn't have to be perfect for me to do this. There we are. Now we will let this one dry. And I'm going to move it completely out of my way. Okay, now let's get started on the basket. First of all, we're going to show you, after we dress this basket up, show you several ways you can use the basket on the front door, on a table, on your curio, on the wall. You can even put it on a mirror or your pantry or laundry room door. There are 7 ways, and I will show you that. But let's go on and get started. I'm glad that you stopped by today. Okay, I put the sign on the front just with some glue. Then that looks good, the contrast. Now you know the color of this season is consists of the greens, of course, the browns, the creams, the green that I have on, and this shirt has a lot of the colors that will be used this fall and coming up until the winter, clothes-wise and decor-wise. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna. Now these I bought from a thrift store. There's some grapes on a vine. So I will put them on now. Just putting it around the top base of this basket. I needed some more of this gold tone on the side where my dining room area is. So when I saw this basket, I said that would work well with what I'm I'm trying to do. Okay. And I'm going to show you multiple ways how you can use this in your home. And you can be thinking about it after you make you one. Your front or back door, on a mirror. You can put it on your coffee table, on your curio, or on your laundry or pantry door. So that means just about anywhere you put any other decor. Now, here is how the grapes, the sign has taken shape. Okay, I still want these to come over just a little bit. Let's see. As you know, if you do crafts, you have to keep going until it's satisfactory to your eye and how you want it. Okay, I will leave well enough alone. Right here. Okay. Now, these flowers that I'm putting in, they were pink. So I just muted this because we need that to help the coziness, along with these golden tones of brown and the lighter browns, gold that I have in my home. And so we're just going to place this in the middle. Isn't that beautiful just by itself? Look at the grapes, how they are falling. And then we're going to add this last color, which is cream or off-white, and some browns and green in here also. And we're going to put the largest one, if you will, in the middle, and then the other two, one on either side. And let me show you that before I do the last little bit there. Isn't that beautiful? And then I'm going to take this. This is something I had from previous years for the fall flowers. And I'm just going to place them right in the front of this basket. I would not glue it on. It sticks in and stay in place. Isn't that beautiful? Stay tuned. I am going to show you how you can utilize this one basket in your home and show you where I placed the pumpkin that I painted. The first place I would sit it is here on the counter where I made this beautiful floral arrangements with grapes. It can stand alone. The next place is on your laundry or your pantry door. Isn't that beautiful? And then I'll show you how it works on the wall. Doesn't that look beautiful on the wall? What if we made two and put it on either side of this window? The next place is on the front or the back door. Look how beautiful it looks. If you put it on the front door. Now that's simply beautiful to me. And then I'll show you 3 more places, and then that'll be it. See the mirror? You could place it here. And then we're going to the next to the last place. Look how beautiful it looks on the coffee table. And let's go to the final place where I will leave it until I decide exactly where I will put it. And the final place is here on top of my curio. Okay, I'll leave this color lamp here because we got a lot of the dark. The curio itself, the clock, and then the flowers are muted. And then since I have blue and white everywhere, I'm going to bring one of my flower pots and sit it there. And here is our pumpkin, brown and white. And I'll just sit it here in the flower pot. Let's get our blanket and put it on the chair, because we want that cozy feeling during the fall and the winter time. And then we'll light the candle. Hold on. And here is a candle. Now, isn't this cozy? And the picture behind the chair, all of the beautiful colors of the fall. And you only spent $13, 12 for the basket and 1 for the pumpkin. Everything else you own. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY and me showing you where you can place these items in your home for the fall. This is Stephanie at Traditional Home. Thank you for watching.